Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the battery in your Asus UX325E laptop. This process is essential for maintaining your device's performance, especially if you notice shorter battery life. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this task. For this replacement, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Before you start, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's also wise to discharge any residual power by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Now, flip your laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will see several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, it's best to keep them organized to avoid mixing them up later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the bottom panel removed, locate the battery. It will typically be a rectangular component secured by screws. Again, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Be cautious not to strip them, as this can complicate the replacement process. After unscrewing, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You can use the spudger for this step if it's stuck. Once disconnected, carefully lift the old battery out of the laptop. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the soft cloth. This ensures better airflow and improves overall performance. If you're unsure about the cleanliness of your device, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Connect the battery connector back to the motherboard securely. It's crucial to ensure that the connection is firm to avoid any power issues later. Next, screw the battery back into place. Double-check that all screws are tightened but do not over-torque them, as this can damage the battery or the laptop casing. Once the battery is secure, it's time to replace the bottom panel. Align the panel correctly and press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight. Before powering on your laptop, remember that if you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your laptop serviced. Now, power on your Asus UX325E and check if the battery is recognized correctly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You have successfully replaced your battery. Lastly, if you ever need assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Your laptop's health is our priority, and we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.